friends and fellow travelers, this is Russ Hanlon, otherwise known as Del Rugby, with you again with another hopefully educational video. This video is about a recent event that about killed me. I had dysentery and was in the hospital for a few days. So anyway, I want to educate you on what I had, how I got it, and how I got rid of it, and some preventive ideas so that you won't have to go through what I went through. Thanks again, and stay tuned for a great video.
I'm gonna need Mr. Drake's property back.
So unfortunately, I didn't get the venom super strengths. What I got was about 3 years worth of weakness. I had Amoebiasis. Basically, I didn't know I had it, and as you can see from here at Wikipedia, how it works. So basically, I picked it up in Nicaragua probably in late 2014, early 2015 when I was working there. You get it from, it's a cyst that comes in, and it's in one of its life cycles, as you can see. So you usually get it from eating maybe lettuce that has water on it, or ice cubes that are coming from the water, because there's fecal matter in the water table in some of the developing countries, especially in the tropics. So as far as I can see, I got this in Nicaragua, and I had it for 3 years, didn't even know it, and then through stress, it put me into a high state of fever and dysentery, and I had to be hospitalized. And it took a couple tests for them to figure out I had it. So it's not easy to determine if you have it or not. So anyway, metronidazole, I believe it is called, is the antibiotic I had to take. I had to take it for 7 days. It was very strong, and I think the medicine was almost as bad as the disease. But anyway, I'm feeling much better now. I've got energy that I haven't had in years and years and years. So anyway, be very careful when you travel abroad, and make sure that you use just mineral water, and don't use vegetables unless you clean them yourselves, or fruit, and you should be okay. Anyway, thank you so much, and talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please share this with all your friends, especially your friends that are traveling. Thanks again. This is Del Rugby PM.